Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Digital School Pro. In this channel, we are going to discuss about different kind of competitive exams that are held in India, like competitive exams for central government or state government jobs, or for admission in different kind of schools, college, and universities. So, as you know that for this kind of competitive exams, you have to crack four different topics mainly. The one is reasoning, then there is also a skill of arithmetic test, and then there is also test for English language, and then there is general knowledge test. Most of the exams like Staff Selection Commission, IBPS, Railway Recruitment Board, UPSC, and also the state government recruitment exams are comprised of these topics. So today we are going to talk about reasoning. Reasoning is very important because it is common in every kind of exams like SSC, UPSC, RRB, as well as state government jobs, IBPS, etc. And in reasoning, there are many different topics. Like there are series, there is coding, decoding, blood relation, there is distance and direction, there is paper folding, water image, then there is matrix, Venn diagram, then there is alphanumeric series, then there is classification. So in reasoning, as you can see, there are many types of topics. In this channel, we are going to cover them all one by one. So please do subscribe in our channel. And also in this channel, we are going to announce from time to time different exam notifications as well as different exam result notifications. So please do subscribe our channel so that you don't miss those notifications. Today we are going to study about series. Series is very important topic for reasoning purpose, and it is really very easy if you practice it regularly. So today we are going to start with some easy series problems, and then we are also going to cover coding decoding. First in series, number 1, we have here 4, 6, 9, 13. And the options are 18, 11, 13, 6 and 20. So if we see that the difference between 4 and 6 is 2. Then difference between 6 and 9, it's 3. Difference between 9 and 13, it's 4. So it can be easily said that the next digit that is going to be here should have the difference of 5 between that digit and 13. So if we add 5 with 13, 13 plus 5, we get 18, right? So our result should be 18. So if we put here 18, then the difference will be 5. So our correct answer will be 18. So you see, it's really very easy to crack these kind of problems. So let's move on to next. So here it is 4, 9, 16, 25. So if you again see the difference is 5, then it is 7, right? Then it is 9. Okay. So it's 5, 7, 9, just difference of 1. Like these are actually odd numbers, 5, 7, 9. So what should be the next one? Is it going to be 11? If we think it is 11, then 25 plus 30 is 36. Is it the correct answer? I think yes. This is the correct answer. So here it will be 36. It can be again solved like this. It's like 2 square, then 3 square, then it is 4 square, then it is 5 square, so it should be 6 square. So in this way it can be also solved. So the correct answer should be D36. Okay. Next it is 0, 7, 26, 63. So how are we going to solve this? I don't think that difference will matter here, because it's not like that, because from 7 to 26 it's a huge difference, right? So what will be the options here? So if we do 1 cube minus 1, it should be 0. Like, if we do 2 cube, what is 2 cube? 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. 8 minus 1 equals to 7. Yeah, I think it is going like this. 0, 7. So next we do what? It's 2, it should be 3 cube, right? 3 cube, we know that 3 cube is 27. So 27 minus 1, it is 26. Yeah. 4 cube is 64 minus 1 is 63. 4 cube. Then we should go for 5 cube. 5 cube, we know that it is 125 minus 1. So it should be 124. So the correct answer is C. Okay. It's very easy. Next we move to 3, 5, 9, 17. So its difference is 3 to 2, right? And difference is here 5 to 4. Then the difference is 18. Okay. So are you guys getting any sorry, that's my mistake. The difference is 8. Difference is 8, right? So what will be the next? So I think it's like it's doubling here. So the next will be the difference of 16. Okay, so if we add 17 plus 16, we get what? 33. So it should be here 33. It should be C. Okay, the C is 33. Next we have 2, 20, 74, 100. So how do we do that? Here we can see the difference is 18. What is the difference here? It's 54. Okay. What's the difference here? The difference is here 110, 74. 36. So it's 36. Okay, so I think that these are actually the multiples of 18. Okay, so 18 multiplied by 3 is 54. Again 18 multiplied by 2 is 36. What if it is 18? If we multiply 18 into 4, it will be 72. Alright, so if we add 72 with 110, it will be 182. So here our answer will be 182. So you understood this, I guess. So here the difference was 72. 72 is also the multiple of 18. So actually how it is going, it is 18 into 3, then it is going 1 behind 18 into 2, then so it should be now 18 into 4, because we have already done 18 into 3, it would be 18 into 4. And the next one, if we had the next one, it would be 18 into 3. So we go one forward, then we go one backward. So if it is 18 into 4, it is 72, and if we add 72 with 110, it is going to be 182. Okay. I hope these kind of series are clear. Now next we move to our next section. It is coding decoding. It's very fun. So let's start. If GAN is coded as HVO, what will be IBU stand for? So GAN is HVO. So G goes for H, U is V, N is O. So if GAN is HVO, so that means G goes for H, the next letter. V goes for the U goes for the next letter V, and N goes for the next letter O. Then IBU, so IBU, it is supposed to go for the next letter, which should be starting with J, but in option there is no word that is starting with J. So we can try with backward. So IBU, so the previous letter of I is H. The previous letter of A is B. Previous letter of U is then T. Yeah, hat. Hat is there in the option, so we go for hat. E is our correct answer. In a certain code, fire is coded as DGPC. What will be the last letter of the coded word for short? So you could go for fire. Fire, it's D. So D, E, F, like this, right? So G. So H, I, G, H, I. So it is going backward, as you can see. Then R, it goes for P. The P, then Q, and R. So likewise E is going for C. So C, B, C, E, Q, P, R, H, G, G, H, I, E, F, D. Okay. Yeah. So what will be the last letter of the word for short? So short, we can go like this again. So S, Q, one between is R. Okay. For H, we can go for F, then G, then O, we can go for M, N, okay, T, so go for R, the S. So if we follow this pattern of fire and we implement this pattern in short here, we can get that for T, the last letter of the word short, and the last letter is T here, so it corresponds to R, P, Q, R, R, S, T. So R is 2 letters behind, so it should be option C, R. Alright. If tour is written in a certain code as 1, 2, 3, 4, clear as 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, spare as 9, 0, 8, 4, 7, what will be the 5th digit for sculpture? So tour is written as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, clear. Clear is written as 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, right? Then spare. Spare is written as 9, 0, 8, 4, 7. Okay. So what will be the fifth digit for sculpture? So in sculpture, the fifth digit, what is the fifth letter? So let's number it first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth is P. P is our fifth letter. Yeah. So let's find out what is P here. Is there any P in 2? No. Is there any P in clear? No. Is there any P in spare? Yes. So in spare, the P is here, it is 0. The P is here 0. So we can say that number C will be the correct option. Okay. Now we are moving to the next one. If in a code language, digits are used for the letters according to the following: D goes for 8, I goes for 2, N goes for 5, E goes for 1, S goes for 7, H goes for 4, K goes for 9, U goes for 3. What number will represent the word S, H, K, N, U, D, I? So what is it? It is S, H, K, N, U, D, I. Okay, so for S we already know that for S it is 7. So let's go here 7. For H it is 4. So let's go here 4. For K it is 9. So let's go here 9. For N it is 5. So let's go here with 5. For U it is 3. So let's go here with 3. For D it is 8. So is there anything 7, 4, 9, 5, 3, 8? I will don't need, but if you want you can. I is 2 here. So 7, 4, 9, 5, 3, 8, 2, 7, 4, 9, 5. Yeah. 7, 4, 9, 5. This one, right? So E is our correct answer. 7495382. So it's very easy to solve. I think you have understood all the concepts I have just explained here. So all you need to do is follow this video once again and practice these questions at home. Okay, until then, see you and we'll meet again in our next class.